If you're looking to make some extra cash online, affiliate marketing on TikTok can be a great way to do it. By promoting products and services to your followers, you can earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. TikTok is a visual platform, so consider incorporating videos, images, and catchy music into your content. Show off the product in action or give a demo of how it works. Make sure to include your unique affiliate link in the description so that your followers can easily make a purchase. TikTok is all about authenticity and creativity, so experiment with different formats and styles to see what resonates with your audience. You could create haul videos where you show off your favorite products, how-to videos that showcase the benefits of a particular product, or even collaborations with other TikTok creators who share your interests. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show your appreciation for your followers' support. The more you connect with your audience, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations and make purchases through your affiliate links. Affiliate marketing on TikTok can be a fun and lucrative way to make money online. So, how can you get started with affiliate marketing on TikTok? Number 1, choose your niche. Choosing your niche is the first step in starting your affiliate marketing journey on TikTok. Your niche should be something that you are passionate about and have knowledge in. It could be anything from fashion, beauty, fitness, cooking, or even gaming. When selecting your niche, consider your target audience. Who are you creating content for? And what are their interests? This will help you narrow down your options and choose a niche that has a high potential for success. You can also research popular trends on TikTok to see what's currently popular and what people are talking about. Look for topics that have a high engagement rate and that you can create unique content around. Number 2, find the right affiliate program. What kind of content do you typically create on TikTok? If you're a fashion influencer, for example, look for affiliate programs that offer clothing, shoes, or accessories. If you're a beauty influencer, look for programs that offer makeup, skincare, or hair care products. Consider also the commission rate. Different affiliate programs offer different commission rates, so make sure you find one that is worth your time and effort. Some programs offer a flat fee for each sale, while others offer a percentage of the sale. It's also important to consider the products themselves. Are they high quality and something that your followers would be interested in? Take the time to research the products and make sure they align with your brand and values. Finally, consider the program's tracking and reporting tools. You'll want to be able to track your clicks, sales, and earnings so you can see how your efforts are paying off. Number 3, create engaging content. Creating engaging content is one of the most important steps in affiliate marketing on TikTok. Your content needs to be visually appealing, attention-grabbing, and should inspire your followers to take action. Here are some tips to help you create engaging content for affiliate marketing on TikTok. You must keep it short and sweet. TikTok is all about short-form videos, so keep your content brief and to the point. Avoid rambling on and make sure your video gets straight to the point. Use catchy music. Music is a big part of TikTok, and using catchy tunes in your videos can help grab your followers' attention. Use popular songs that are relevant to your content, and consider adding sound effects to make your video even more engaging. Show the product in action. Instead of simply talking about the product, show it in action in your video. This could be through a product review, a demo, or by using the product in a creative way. Include a call to action. Make sure to include a call to action in your video that encourages your followers to click on your affiliate link. This could be as simple as asking them to swipe up or click the link in the description. Be authentic. Finally, it's important to be authentic in your content. Don't promote products that you don't believe in, and make sure your videos reflect your personal brand and values. This will help build trust with your followers and make them more likely to take action on your recommendations. By following these tips, you can create engaging content for affiliate marketing on TikTok that drives clicks and conversions. Number 4, include your affiliate link. But what exactly is an affiliate link? An affiliate link is a unique URL that is given to you by the affiliate program you've joined. When someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on that sale. When including your affiliate link in your TikTok content, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure the link is prominently displayed in the video description or as a call to action in the video itself. This will make it easy for your followers to find the link and click through to the product page. Secondly, it's important to disclose that you're using an affiliate link. This is required by law in some countries, and it's also the ethical thing to do. You can do this by including a simple disclaimer in your video description, such as, "I may earn a commission from purchases made through this link." Finally, make sure your affiliate link is working properly. Test the link yourself to ensure that it takes you to the correct product page, and keep an eye on your click and sales data to make sure everything is tracking correctly. Make sure the link is prominently displayed. Disclose that you're using an affiliate link, and test the link to ensure it's working properly. Number 5. Engage with your followers. Engaging with your followers is crucial when it comes to affiliate marketing on TikTok. It's not enough to simply create great content and include your affiliate link. You need to build a relationship with your audience and earn their trust. If someone asks a question about a product you've promoted, make sure to answer it promptly and thoroughly. This will show that you're knowledgeable about the product and that you care about your followers' needs. It's also important to be authentic and transparent with your audience. If you're promoting a product that you haven't actually tried or don't believe in, your followers will see right through it. Make sure to only promote products that you genuinely think are worth recommending, and be upfront about the fact that you're earning a commission from the sale. Finally, don't be afraid to show your personality on TikTok. People follow influencers not just for their product recommendations, but also for their unique perspectives and personalities. If you're funny, quirky, or have a unique perspective on things, don't be afraid to let that shine through in your content. By responding to comments and messages, creating interactive content, being authentic and transparent, and showing your personality, you'll build a loyal following that trusts your recommendations and is more likely to make a purchase through your affiliate link. The last thing you want to know is, Number 6. Track your results. Tracking your results is a crucial step in affiliate marketing on TikTok. It helps you understand how your content is performing and where you can make improvements to increase your earnings. There are a few metrics you should be tracking to get the most out of your affiliate marketing efforts on TikTok. The second metric you should be tracking is sales. This tells you how many people are actually purchasing the product through your affiliate link. By tracking your sales, you can see which products are popular among your followers and which ones aren't. Finally, you should be tracking your earnings. This tells you how much money you're making from your affiliate marketing efforts. By tracking your earnings, you can see which products are generating the most revenue for you and which ones aren't worth promoting. Affiliate marketing on TikTok is a great way to make money online. By following these ideas we've given to you, you'll be on your way to earning some cash through your TikTok account. So start implementing these steps and watch your earnings grow. What do you think about this topic? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.